Today I receive a Forky. One is the most famous character from Toy Story 4. I received this one from online and which is a lot of options, especially I can change the figure, mouth and eyebrow. This is the best option. It's from China and I have this one option, so I can change the mouth very easily. Whatever I need the subject, especially the eyebrow, whatever I need I can manage it. This is the very flexible toys, and it's very smooth. I can do whatever I want. This is the best option right now in the market and I purchased from AliExpress. I hope you will like this video and keep supporting me. Thank you.